My name is Dane Franklin. For my final project in CIS 5740 at Florida Tech, I built this professional ePortfolio using the full MERN Stack: MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js. The React front end is deployed on Vercel. The database runs on MongoDB Atlas, and all project images are stored persistently using Cloudflare R2. For a premium look and feel, I chose the outfit font for headings and inter for body text. I also used glass morphism effects with subtle blur, shadows, and micro animations to give it a modern, polished appearance. I also included an option for dark mode for viewers who prefer dark themes. As you can see on the homepage, the site features a clean hero section, an About Me area, and a dynamic project gallery. All projects are fetched in real time from MongoDB. Let me scroll through some of the projects. Each project card shows the title, description, technologies, and links to the live demo and GitHub repository as applicable. The design is fully responsive and works great on mobile. One of the standout features is the secure admin dashboard. I implemented basic authentication so I can easily create, update, or delete projects without touching the database directly. There's also a fully functional contact form with Express Validator on the back end. Messages are sent through Node Mailer and Simple Mail Transport Protocol, so I receive them instantly in my inbox. I opted to use Vercel because I already had an account and I used them in the past. However, one notable drawback is that Vercel spins down the site when it's not in use, and a first-time visitor might have to wait a bit longer for the site to spin up. Additionally, Vercel does not offer persistent storage, so I use Cloudflare R2 buckets for image storage. My Cloudflare choice as well was because I already had an account. Another obstacle was that in my design, geolocation data was fetched from ipapi.com. This location was then fed into OpenMedia API to display the local weather. I was extremely proud of this feature, but once deployed, I noticed a mixed content error in the browser console. This happened because iPAPI free tier is limited to HTTP only, and to overcome this, I switched to IPinfo, which has a generous free tier. The site now correctly displays dynamic visitor location and weather, along with a feed of recent news retrieved from Hacker News. Overall, this project strengthened my skills in full stack development, secure file handling with Cloudflare R2, and highlighted pros and cons of serverless deployment on Vercel. In the end, I was able to display a clean, responsive, and professional user interface and user experience for my ePortfolio. Thank you for watching. This concludes my ePortfolio demonstration for CIS 5740.